Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers again. So today we are going to cover yet another interesting set in our daily DIRR series. If you want to be the part of it, do what is mentioned over here. So we cover one new set every day. And before we move to the set, this is the comprehensive list of the courses that we provide. These are some of the most affordable and the finest comprehensive umbrella courses in the country, which will take care not only for CAT but for all other exams. So all the test series are included in everything. Since this is a daily series, we have covered a lot of sets. In fact, we have covered 26 of them, I think. Yes. And today is 27th set of the series. It is a binary logic set, which is a truth teller and alternator type of thing. So what does this set say? In an island, each person belongs to one of the three categories among these three. So these are either truth tellers, liars, or alternators. So truth tellers, liars, and alternators. So this is quite evident. Truth teller will always tell a truth. Liar will always tell a lie. And alternator will swing between truth and lie in any order. If its first statement is truth, other would be lie, then truth, then lie, lie, truth, and so on. Now, what is given to us that Bhuvan, Chirag, Deni and Imran are the four persons belonging to the island, and each of them has one profession: doctor, lawyer, actor, and trader. At least one person from each category is present among the four persons. So at least one, which means one person has to be a truth teller, one person has to be a liar, one person has to be an alternator, and then one person can be any of the categories. So there will be two people from one category and two people from one category each. Okay. So the statements made are below. Now, before we start solving the set, before we start cracking the set, where we should start? We should always start with strongest statements. What are the strongest statements? The strongest statements are always, I am a truth teller. He is a truth teller. Okay. Followed by the statements like, I am not a liar. And so on. Now, when we are talking about this, then we should also note that if, let's say, if two or three people are making the same statement, then we should also pick them up in pairs, because they will be of same nature then. Okay, it will be easier to crack. And what is the best strategy? The best strategy is you have to assume one of the person as a truth teller, and then you have to check if all the other conditions are constant or not. For example, let's say if I take Bhuvan to be a truth teller, I will assume all his statements are true. And if all his statements are true, I will check the consistency of the set along with this, that whether all the conditions are being satisfied or not. But before I start, I can see that Chirag and Deni, they have made two similar statements. Imran is a liar, Deni is an actor, and Deni is saying I am an actor. So these two people must be of same category. So let me assume that these are both truth teller. If this is a truth teller, then this is a truth, this is a truth, and this is a truth. Then even this is a truth, and this is a truth. Now he is saying that Imran is a liar. So Imran must be a liar. So if this is a truth teller, this is a truth teller, this is a liar, then this must be alternator. Why? Because there has to be one person from each category. If I check the third statement of Deni, it is saying Bhuvan is not an alternator. So if Bhuvan is not an alternator, then according to him, Bhuvan must be liar or a truth teller. Then we can say that this is contradicting the condition that there should be at least one alternator. वो कंडीशन तो हमारी कॉन्ट्राडिक्टोरी है. अब अगर वो स्टेटमेंट कॉन्ट्राडिक्टोरी है, विच मींस हमारी ये सपोजिशन, हमारी assumption कि चिराग एक ट्रू टेलर है, वो गलत assumption है. So this assumption is a wrong assumption. Now these two cannot be truth tellers. I definitely know this. So let me take him as a truth teller. Let me take Imran as a truth teller, and let me check whether the things are consistent or not. So if I am assuming Imran to be a truth teller, then he is saying Chirag is a lawyer. So Chirag is a lawyer. First condition. There are two alternators among us. So among these three, there are two alternators. Okay. And Bhuvan is not a doctor. Bhuvan is not a doctor. So Bhuvan is not a doctor. Okay. So let us now try to find out the statements which are consistent. Okay. Which are consistent. Now, since Imran is saying all the statement truth, so this must be truth, this must be truth, and this also must be truth. So according to Imran, Chirag is a lawyer. Bhuvan is saying Chirag is a doctor, which means his second statement is definitely false. His second statement is definitely a lie. Also, he is saying that there are two alternators and there are two alternators among us. And he is saying exactly two of us are liars. So this also must be a lie. क्योंकि मैंने अज्यूम कर लिया है कि इमरान ट्रूथ टेलर है और इमरान अगर ट्रूथ टेलर है तो दो लोग ऑल्टरनेटर होने चाहिए, लेकिन भुवन कह रहे हैं कि दो लोग लायर हैं, which means वो lie कर रहे हैं. If this is a lie, this is a lie, this also must be a lie. Then Bhuvan is definitely a liar. Now, if Bhuvan is a liar, Imran is a truth teller, then these two must be alternators because according to Imran, there are two alternators and these two must be. Okay, now let us try to find out the statement which is correct or which is wrong. So they are both saying Imran is a liar, but Imran is a truth teller, which means this statement is a lie. This statement is a lie. Now, if this statement is a lie and this statement is lie, he is saying Bhuvan is not an alternator. Bhuvan is not an alternator, and this is a true statement. Yeah, because Bhuvan is an yeah. So this is a truth statement. This is a truth statement. Similarly, if this is a lie, lie, truth, and lie. Now I have to check whether my parameters are satisfying the condition or not. Whether I can allocate all the occupations among four people distinctively or not. Let us see if I can do that. So Chirag is a lawyer. Bhuvan is not a doctor. So Bhuvan is not a doctor. Bhuvan is not a doctor. Chirag is a doctor is a lie. Chirag is a doctor is a lie. वो हम already allocate कर ही चुके हैं वैसे भी. See, Danny is an actor is a truth. These are both. Danny is an actor. So Danny is an. So if Danny is an actor, so left person is Imran. And since Bhuvi cannot be doctor, so he must be doctor. So what is the occupation left for him? The occupation left for him is trader. Now I can see that all my conditions are satisfying. कोई कुछ भी ऐसा है ही नहीं जो गलत हो रहा हो. Which means my assumption that Imran is a truth teller is the right assumption. So it is a right assumption, not a difficult thing. Now let us see what are the questions. Who among the given persons is the truth teller? So Imran is a truth teller. The second statement of how many persons is true. So his second statement is true. His second statement. So there are two people for whom second statement is true. What is the profession of Imran? The profession of Imran is a truth teller. Oh, sorry. Oh, the nature was the profession of Imran is a doctor. And the last, who is a trader? Then trader must be Bhuvi. So this completes my set. Not a very difficult one, but yes, an interesting one in the viewpoint that how we should allocate some points. Okay. So with this, we will complete our set and our new batch is starting soon. So if you want to be the part of it, join us as soon as possible. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.